Yeah. So it's really dark. We are leaving, headed to Florida, and I'm not gonna open the back because I don't think you can see. But the car is extremely packed. Hey, buddy. Can say hi? Okay, so we are leaving. We have a 12-hour drive to Florida, and I'm stuck in between Matthew and my brother in the car in the middle seat the whole time. So we'll see how this goes. Say bye, buddy. Bye, buddy. I love you. Are you ready?
To listen to you complain for the next 12 hours about your back?
Yeah.
No.
All of a sudden, my back's hurting, so.
And her stomach, and then her neck's gonna hurt, and then a few minutes later her ankle's gonna start hurting.
Ow.
No. You know how gross this ground is?
I like this song. They're playing good music. But yeah, I think I left my GoPro on the whole time in the car because I don't know. I thought it turned off, but now it won't turn on. So I think it's. How do you charge it? Turn it on.
You say turn it on?
Yeah.
Get away from me with your no shoes on.
Hey, 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 hey.
We're still pretty far north, aren't we?
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are here. So, room tour. What are you doing? Room tour. This is one of the rooms. And then the living room area, kitchen. We have master bedroom. And then there's this beautiful view of the beach. So we're right on the beach. And that's the view from this room. Matthew and I are getting ready to go to the beach.
It sucks.
We're going to the beach. First day vibes. I'm really scared. This is like the furthest I've been in the ocean in a couple of years. Like, I'm terrified of the ocean.
It's crystal clear.
It is really, actually is really nice. But I'm also terrified I'm gonna see something. The water's pretty warm. Like, usually it's kind of a little chilly. Ah, that's wet.
How far out can I get to before you start thinking?
About here is good. This is nice. I know. Ever. Do you agree?
Nope, I've had better than anything.
I really liked it. It had blackened shrimp in it too, so it was so good. And my Christmas chips.
Really
hangover. We're going to the outlet mall today because it's kind of cold. It's not really cold, but it keeps raining off and on, and like it's windy on the beach. So it's not super warm if you're gonna be in water. So we're gonna go to the outlet mall because what other day would we go if it's gonna be nice out? Hi guys, we're at the outlet mall. We just got a really good deal on our North Face sweatshirt.
Kaytlyn's a little shy in front of the camera, but you know what, that happens. Now we're gonna go to the van store because you just spent way too much money at North Face.
Outlet is huge.
Your watch tan line's killing me.
I can't even see it.
What are we doing?
Taking out a pair of sunglasses.
Let's see them. What are the other ones?
So I was looking at, so I think these are my favorite, but I was looking at these, I think it was these, but I don't think they're like, they go with it, like, I don't like the lens like color as much, you know what I'm talking about?
Me neither.
Like they're more nudish, but then I like these, but I don't think I like how pink they are. You don't like this one?
No, I don't like those ones as much. I like the first ones the most.
I feel like they go with them. And then these, those are too dark. Those like too dark. So
I like these.
Are these the ones?
I think these are the ones. Are you saying yes to the sunglasses?
I'm saying yes to the sunglasses. Right here. Post run.
Let them in.
It's hot. Do you know how hot it is outside? I'm really sweaty. I know. Working hard.
How do you almost trip over the pillow?
Working hard.
What's gonna happen is I'm gonna throw it to you, it's gonna go boom, smoke you in the face, and you're never gonna throw a football at me ever again.
Probably not.
That's how you videotape people, you go.
In their face.
take your clothes off and go dancing in the rain.
Go. In the elevator.
I'm going. We're going.
You're going bike riding.
This is going to be a very hot bike ride because how hot is it? I don't know. It's like freaking 85 or something. But we're gonna do it. They look fake. Okay. Go on. Matthew definitely just disobeyed the rules. But he definitely rode the bike on this dock when we were told to only ride on sidewalks. How was the bike ride?
It's alright.
It was hot, really hot. And I haven't rode a bike in like 5 years, so it's interesting. Not. Ooh.
We're vlogging?
We are vlogging and it's dark. Yeah. But we are going to dinner. Last night we're going down to the Baytown Bar again.
Riding on a horse, man with your Porsche, I've been in the valley,